In the fast-paced world of 2024, trading has become more than just a way to make a living. It's a lifestyle. It's a realm where the pulse of the global economy beats, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. The evolution of trading has been remarkable, facilitated by technology and the proliferation of user-friendly trading apps, making it accessible to everyone. It's a world that demands understanding and navigation. In this sea of trading opportunities, the right trading app is your compass. Navigating the world of trading apps can feel like navigating a labyrinth, but fear not, we're here to guide you. Let's dive into the maze that is the current trading app landscape. Each platform offers its unique set of features designed to cater to the diverse needs of consumers. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or a seasoned trader, there's an app out there for you. First, let's talk about the user interface. A good trading app should have a clean, intuitive interface, making it easy for users to understand and execute trades. Some apps excel in this area, offering sleek designs and easy-to-read charts, while others may prioritize function over form, which could take a bit longer to get used to. Speed is another crucial aspect. In the world of trading, seconds matter. You need an app that executes trades swiftly and without hiccups. Some trading apps are known for their lightning-fast speed, ensuring that you never miss a trading opportunity. Then there are the fees. Every trader wants to maximize profits and minimize costs. While some trading apps offer zero or low commission trades, others may charge a premium for their advanced features. It's always important to check the fee structure before committing to a platform. The range of assets available for trading is also a significant consideration. Some apps offer a wide variety of assets, from stocks and ETFs to cryptocurrencies and commodities. The broader the range, the more opportunities for diversification. Security cannot be compromised when it comes to trading apps. Look for platforms with robust security measures in place to protect your investments. This could include two-factor authentication, encryption, and regular system audits. Finally, good customer support can be a lifesaver when you encounter issues. Some apps offer 24/7 support, while others may have limited hours of operation. As you see, each app has its strengths and weaknesses, but which one stands out as the best trading app of 2024? A crown is earned, not given, and in 2024, the crown of the best trading app goes to. Let's lift the veil on this royal revelation. Meet the reigning champion of the trading arena, the undisputed master of the market. What sets this app apart from the crowd is its remarkable blend of features, designed with the user in mind. Firstly, let's talk about the interface. It's simple, it's intuitive, and it makes trading feel like a breeze. Even if you're a novice trader, you'll find yourself navigating the financial waters with ease, thanks to its user-friendly design. Next up, we have the fees, or should we say, the lack thereof. This app prides itself on its low-cost model, ensuring you keep more of your hard-earned money. But what's a trading app without a wide range of assets? From stocks and bonds to cryptocurrencies and commodities, this app offers a comprehensive portfolio, giving you the freedom to diversify your investments as you wish. Security is paramount, and this app doesn't take it lightly. With robust measures in place to safeguard your investments, you can trade with peace of mind, knowing your assets are well protected. And finally, their customer support is second to none. Whether you've hit a snag or just need some advice, their team is always ready to assist, making your trading journey smoother. With its superior features and user experience, this app truly deserves its crown. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered that trading in 2024 isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's a complex ecosystem rich with opportunities and challenges that demand our attention and understanding. An essential tool in navigating this landscape is a robust trading app. We've compared various trading apps, dissecting their features, advantages, and shortcomings. From intuitive interfaces to real-time data analytics, each has its unique strengths. However, our standout app doesn't just excel in one area. It combines seamless user experience, comprehensive data analysis, and cutting-edge security measures, setting a new standard for trading apps in 2024. This app is not just a tool, it's your ally in the trading world, offering you the knowledge and power to make informed decisions. It's about more than just transactions. It's about transforming the way you trade. Remember, in the world of trading, knowledge is power. And with the right app, you're well on your way to becoming a trading powerhouse.